how to change the goal net physics and shape in FC25. Now if you want to change the goal net, first come to the main page here and come up to the top left hand corner and select the little cog. Then you want to select settings, then we want game settings. Now within game settings, use your left and right bumper to come over to visual, and then come all the way down to around the middle where you'll see net tension, where we can start to change the physics and the shape of the net. We can change regular here, loose or tight, or you can leave it at default. Then you can change the net shape, rectangular, triangle or default. Now you can change the net meshing, square, hexagon or default. So you can really change how the nets look in FC25. What style of net do you have? Let us know in the comment section below. However, that's how to change the goal net physics and shape in FC25.